Good afternoon, everybody, and today we're taking a short visit to the Hong Hong Dog Cafe on North Pattaya Road. It's a busy road, so I haven't taken a picture of the outside, but the exciting bits is inside. So join us as we explore this dog cafe in North Pattaya. So this cafe is one which is filled with animals, doggies, and there's a small entry to come in and sit with the doggies and play with the doggies. Very small entrance fee. You can also buy drinks, but the drinks will be available for you to take away, as during COVID they're not allowing any drinks to be drunk within the premises. Masks must be worn at all times during this period. So as you can see, they have a range of dogs, from huskies to a French bulldog. There's a King Charles Spaniel, King Charles Spaniel. You can tell which doggies are the cuddle monsters. So myself and my assistant Mary have come in to probably get our weekly dose of cuddles. We've tried the cat cafe, we thought we'd try the dog cafe. As you can see, all the dogs are of a great temperament. Now we've come in the afternoon when it's obviously quite hot, and they're preparing for their sleepy time, but it was still nice to pop in and just learn about this family. As I say, it's the Hong Hong Dog Cafe, and it's in North Pattaya Road, just about 100 metres east of the Makro. And if you're coming up towards Makro from the east, you'll notice a 7-Eleven just before you get to the Makro on the corner of the street, and this is a cafe on the opposite corner. This really was a flying visit for us. We didn't have much time, we had an appointment in the afternoon, but still nice to pop in and see the animals. I think there's just about time for a final hug, maybe even a wee kiss for the doggies. Can they come for your final kiss? Final hug? Oh, someone's shy. Time to say goodbye, everyone. If you've liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe, and we will include you in future content. I'll leave the dogs to say their final goodbyes now.